Hi guys, for today's room makeover, we are tackling my mom's living room. This is currently what her living room space looks like, so we are going to make it minimal and modern today. I first and foremost wanted to say a huge thank you to Article for providing the furniture used in this video for my mom's makeover. She absolutely loved the way it turned out. The first thing that I wanted to bring in and add to the space was, of course, a new sofa, and I chose this cigar sofa in the charcoal color. I absolutely love this. I cannot stress enough how comfortable this couch is. Every time I'm at my mom's house now, this is where you can find me sitting. It is such a soft, buttery leather. It's just going to patina and mark up and look so much better over time. And I love the fact that it's the deep leather seats, which to me just adds to the comfort. Another thing that I decided to do was not add a ton of throw pillows because I didn't want to take away from just how beautiful this couch is. So I went ahead and just added one simple Lana pillow in ivory. I also want to mention that this pillow is ethically sourced, which was a huge selling point for me when I picked it out. In my opinion, this pillow alone on the couch just looks so good. Again, my mom really likes the modern minimal look, so that's what we were going for. So I didn't want to add in a ton of throw pillows and take away from the couch. I really wanted the couch to stand out and be the focal point. But I did go ahead and add a coffee table, and this is the Clarus coffee table in walnut. I usually don't go for glass-topped coffee tables, but I did in this situation, and it just makes it feel so open and airy in the space. I also love the fact that it has solid wood legs that you can always see because it's like clear. And it's super fun to just like mix and match with the different textures in the room. Since I really wanted to keep that minimal and modern feel, I just added in one little decorative bowl and added a few pieces of decorative filler just to add a little bit of texture to the coffee table. And then lastly, I just added in a magazine onto the coffee table, and I felt like that was enough because I wanted the coffee table to stand out and I didn't want it to be filled with tons of things and make it look cluttered. So I think those two pieces alone did it for me as far as the coffee table decorations. And again, I'm loving the glass top on this coffee table. I also like the fact that from any angle you can still see the couch through the coffee table. To me, this makes the space just look so much larger using a glass top coffee table as opposed to something solid. So that is what I went for. And then lastly, I don't like too much color and neither does my mom, but I did want to add one little pop of color. So what I did was just added a faux plant, again, just so it would be really low maintenance, nothing extra to really worry about. So I just found this like geometric planter, and then I added in, you guys have probably seen this before, one of my favorite faux birds of paradise plants, and that is just going to liven up the space. And whenever there's room for it in a space, I always like to add in a mirror just to make the space appear larger than it is. Here I'm adding in the bow mirror, and let me just tell you, this is just the most beautifully crafted mirror I have pretty much ever seen. So as you can tell, the mirror is like placed in between two wooden dowels, has the metallic edges on it, as well as the black buffalo leather that's just kind of hanging there. I absolutely love it. It's made of rubber wood and it is stained to this really beautiful walnut color. This is just the most beautiful mirror I have ever seen. I think it just adds so much to the space and the detailing on it is absolutely amazing. So this is probably one of my favorite pieces that Article offers. I would highly recommend picking it up. This space came together so well. So again, a huge thank you to Article. They have the best, just original modern furniture, and everything is such good quality. The experience that we had with the in-home delivery and assembly was just amazing. They were very professional, on time, and everything was put together very fast and efficiently. So I cannot stress enough how much I truly love these Article pieces. I will have everything that I used in this video linked down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of the pieces to decorate your space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found some helpful ideas. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Again, a huge thank you to Article for making this room makeover possible for my mom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!